Hey, what's up everybody? It is Monday, so it's day 2 in a row of actually getting to work on the trailer. Kind of. I've just been spending about the past half hour, 45 minutes just getting everything set up so that way when I can come out here to do some work, I'm ready to go. So basically I took the tarps off, front box is in the same position that it has to be in, and I just set up my welder. So I'm actually using a new welder. Picked up a Vulcan Mig Max 215 from Harbor Freight. So it does MIG aluminum and MIG steel. So I'm gonna MIG aluminum weld the box. So I got the spool gun, I got it all set up, I got my argon shielding gas. So it's probably gonna be a bit of a learning curve. I've never used shielding gas before. The other welder I had the flux wire, so it was all in one, so you never needed the gas. But so we're gonna step it up and use that. So I'll probably also do a review on the welder in another video after I weld some aluminum with it, and then I'm gonna have to weld the seams of the panels of the trailer, so see how it goes. All right, so I'll be back out in a few minutes when I can do some work. But for now, I'll just show you how I have the welder set up. All right. All right, so there's the box, still in the same position. And then here's the welder. Mig Max 215. There's the spool gun, the welding gun. So I didn't actually know this till I had to buy it, but aluminum is a very soft wire, so that's why you need the spool gun, because it has to be a very short feed. So that's all set up. Here's my argon gas regulator. So everything's ready to go. I'm just going to do a few other things. Going to help the wife with a couple of things in the house, and then I'll be out here in a little bit to start welding up this box. Alright. I'm all set up. I'm starting to tack weld the box together, and then going to take it obviously off and do all the seams, but there we go. Held the chip. Alright, so I'm just gonna set it up so now I can weld all the seams. And once that's done, hopefully I can get to the top. Airplane. Alright, so that's it for tonight. Of course, didn't get as far as I wanted to. So the box is right there. It's about 90% welded up. I just gotta take one of the flap discs and smooth out some of the welds. welding with aluminum is hard, and it's my first time welding with shielding gas, and I didn't have the flows right, and I did some practice welding. I thought I was good, and then of course when you try it on the real thing you kind of mess up some. So there's some mess ups. I gotta try and clean it up a little bit, and hopefully it's not too bad. So I'm gonna spend a little time grinding and then just call it a night, and hopefully be back out here tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I gotta run to the weld supply and refill my argon tank because I blew through all the gas, because I think I had the flow too high, so I think I was putting out way too much gas. But live and you learn. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and tune in to the next one. If you have any questions about the trailer build, put a question down below. I'll answer it as best I can. Like and share this video, and please subscribe. We're almost at 3,200 subscribers, which is pretty awesome. So, alright, thanks a lot, and see you on the next video.